here coming across this, and I see this huge tree. Nobody can drive past it, and power lines are fine. This huge tree has been taken down. I'm gonna come across it, and it looks like something happened here, as there's a lot of wood cracked. I'm gonna go see the uproot. Man, oh my gosh, look at that uproot. That's as far as I can see. Alright, see this mess in this uprooted tree. And it sinks, see? It sinks. This is not good. Walking on this tree as I see all this. I'm walking right over a crack. Alright, so that's Hurricane Irene for you. Hurricane is about done. Maybe a little more rain or some winds. But that's it. And I'll keep you updated if anything else happens. Alright, thank you. See ya, bye.